From left to right, move hands from calf to thigh, back to heels, 3 times. Push 4 meridians: bladder veins, kidney meridian, liver meridian, gallbladder meridian. From bottom to top alternately 3 times. Push the popliteal fossa alternately 3 times. Rub the back from bottom to top as if twisting a fried dough 3 times. Caress the treated area 3 times. Push 4 meridians from bottom to top with kneeling fingers on both hands 3 times. Caress the treated area 3 times. Select vacuum head of your choice. Set temperature, working time, suction and release time. Click to start. Vacuum metal head operation. Move the device from popliteal fossa to 膀胱经、肾经、肝经、胆经 3 times. Push from popliteal fossa, tracing 4 main collateral channels to the end of thigh 3 times. Repeat the same technique with vacuum cups. Select vacuum head of your choice. Set temperature, working time, suction and release time. Click to start. Select and fixate the vacuum cups of your choice on popliteal fossa, thigh root, 承山 point in the middle of calf, around 10 minutes. Remove the vacuum cups. Adjust EMS working time, energy, intensity. EMS operation. Apply gel on pads and fixate the pads on legs with the adhesive straps. 20 to 30 minutes. Remove pads and adhesive straps and wipe clean the treated area.